Hi everybody, it's Kevin from Sticks and Stones. Kind of short on wood today, so I'm gonna take a walk down here at the river. Beautiful day out, so it's a nice day for a walkabout. See if we can find something. Plus I need the exercise, it's getting cold. Sit in the shop too much. But I'm definitely out of wood. Waiting for couple of things to come in the mail so I can get some good carvings for you guys. Right now I'm just gonna have to try and find something to carve because I do have to do a couple chainsaw orders. So I got to do a big owl, and I have to do I believe it's a cardinal I got to do. So I'll probably be putting those on, or at least some of the progress for now. But whoa, it's slippery out today. Almost lost it on a rock there. Gotta be careful when I'm talking. Look at the river today. I should have put this on live. I gotta figure out how to do that on my GoPro. Anyway, it's really nice out. I'm gonna look for some little things. Maybe I can carve some sticks into Santas for the holidays, or find a cool piece of driftwood somewhere. Doesn't look like there's much washed up around here, but if we take a walk, you never know what we could find. Anyway, this is the Delaware River where I live. It's about 5 minutes from my house. Water's even looking pretty clear. Let's see what we got. It's a neat looking rock. Might as well take this time to tell you guys I'm going to be putting a members section on the site, on the channel. That's for beginners and for advanced alike. If you guys want to come in, it's for some of my favorite people that come in and really support the channel. You don't have to join it, you know, but it's one extra thing where I can give you guys some extra perks besides the videos that come on the channel that we put on regularly. There's a couple of different levels to it, but it allows me to give you guys a little bit more info and stuff that I don't put on YouTube. Right, you can come in and buy me a coffee for $1.99 and get all kinds of benefits. We're going to do members live chat, and we're going to have monthly Zoom meetings where all the members can see each other and talk together and chat. We're going to have all kinds of little perks, which I'll go through, you know, in more detail later on. I'm still figuring a lot of them out. What is over here? But anyway, you might want to check that out. Like I said, we'll do live chat, monthly Zoom meetings. We'll have regular challenges. You'll get shouted out. Different levels, you know. I think the $5 level, you get access to upcoming videos and sneak peeks of things that I'm going to put on YouTube. And you can ask me questions. We'll have question and answer videos. I'm going to go in depth. All the perks will be listed in the memberships. For the $10 membership, there's going to be carving tutorials that are for carving nerds only, really. Those real long videos I just don't want to put on YouTube because they take too long to load. But they explain every facet of whatever project I'm going to make, and I'm going to show you real detailed stuff in those. But basically the other ones, I mean, you can come in. Like I say, you can meet all the members. We can have live chats for members only. We're going to still do live chats on the channel without this, though. And a lot of the things, we're going to have monthly giveaways for members only too. So once a month we'll give away a carving to just members and have contests for that also. So check it out. If you see that join button, that's what it is. Just throwing it out there for you guys, for anybody that wants to support the channel a little bit more. We're going to try and get it to grow and start doing YouTube a lot more. And right now I'm just walking in a circle and yakking. I got to find me a piece of wood. And then I got to get to these orders here. Let's see. So with that said, let's see what we can find.